Do you want to know how you can add someone on WhatsApp? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add someone on WhatsApp. Go ahead and open WhatsApp and click on this icon. Now click on New Contact, write down the first name, the last name, the phone number and your email address, and then click Save. This way you can add the contact and your messages will be seen here. You can go ahead and search for the contact and then you can start messaging him or her. And if you are already chatting with a person and want to add him or her on your mobile, go ahead and tap on the chat. You can see this option. Go to Add Contacts and click Create New Contact. Write down the name over here, click Save, and you can see that you have added your person or your contact to your WhatsApp. So this is how you add someone on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.